Hey everybody, thank you so much for your time for being on the webinar today. As you can see, we've spent over 6 months in development, creating some really cool new features into the Got Backup Cloud and some amazing marketing tools like VidUber and Testimonial Generator and the Funnel Page Builder. These are all designed to help you generate more leads. I cannot stress enough, my success online of generating over $280 million is because of generating leads. The more leads you have, the more people you can reach out to. Now, the best part is this. As I said on the webinar, the new $497 Business Pro package when we go to the general public will be $497 one time and then $19.97 per month. For you guys, for all your patience over the past couple of years, because I know there was challenges with our first cloud that we built, now we've got a great, amazing product. The $497 is completely waived. So basically, you can upgrade and get everything that I mentioned on the webinar now for just $10 more or $199 if you choose to pay for the year. So again, thank you for your time today. I know your time is valuable. These are exciting times because commissions are going to go through the roof and you've got some amazing tools that have massive value in the marketplace. So take action now, guys, because the $500 waived for you guys is only going to last a short time longer. Just look at the timer below. Have an awesome day, and I look forward to working with you as a Got Backup Pro member.